It is officially Friday. I am home from work, and this weekend my goal is to make Kyrgyz Lepyoshka. It's lovely street bread baked on the inside of clay ovens, little kiosks. That's so delicious. So, it's my goal. We're starting off by cutting some wood. I skipped the bread making process. Here are the risen loaves and currently rising, along with the chichik. So, square icon.
Ah, there we go. I see. Okay. Got it. There you go. Have at it. Oh. Oh. Oh, man. Oh. Yeah.
It tastes very bready.
Mm-hmm.
So like it tastes a lot like my mom's bread that she's making at home.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure how Kyrgyz bread would be like made differently if it's like a different sort of flour used. I'm very happy with the shape.
Yeah, it looked really good.
The little thing kept it from rising for the most part.
Which it's meant to do in the middle, right?
And it has big puffy corners or edges.
That's really cool. I have you now.